Hi there guys, it's Neil here, just gonna show you how to upgrade your PhoneGap project for the iPhone 5. So I'm gonna use my Brazinga app as an example. So what you need to do is download the latest PhoneGap, which I've already done, and unzip it into a folder where you know it's going to be kept. So as you can see there, I just keep it in my documents folder, rename the folder to PhoneGap 2.2, go to your libs folder, iOS, and there you go. So what you'll need is your old project, which I've got here. Um, just navigate to my old project. So wherever you've got it kept, I've just got my icons, splash screens, and my old www folder for now. So that's all I would really need. So what I'm going to do is create a new PhoneGap project using this. So I'm going to go to Services and open a new terminal folder. Okay, so this will open up the terminal app. So um, as documented on the PhoneGap site there, you create a project. Now you need to have the directory already existing and empty as well for your project. So what I mean by that is I'll go back to my desktop folder. Where I'm going to put it is the desktop, apps, and then I'm going to create, using the terminal, a Brazinga phone folder. So like the Brazinga pad folder, but it'll create a Brazinga phone one from my Brazinga phone project. So that's how I'm going to do it. So just follow the documentation there. Desktop apps slash Brazinga phone space. Now then you'd use your like your bundle identifier, which is usually a reverse domain, which you should already have on your iTunes Connect account. So mine would be this for mine, Brazinga phone project. And then don't forget to also put in the name of the project as well. So that's how PhoneGap is done now through the terminal app. I'm going to press return. So as you can see there, it's created a new project for me. Okay, I've got www folder, the standard Cordova assets there. So before I get into opening up my Xcode project, what I'm going to do is actually delete all this stuff, and I'm going to keep the Cordova 2.2.js, so that's all fine. I'm going to go back. I'll just get rid of this terminal actually, to my um, old project where I've kept all my assets. So that's not it. I need to go to PhoneGap projects, assets. So wherever you've kept your project, assets there. So for demonstration, I've got my old project. I'm going to copy everything, except for the JS. I'm going to copy that, which is Command C, or right click and you can copy it. And then I'm going to go directly back into where I've put my new PhoneGap project, which is apps. Hopefully this will find is a bit slow while I'm doing a screencast. So I'm going to navigate through there, www, right click, and paste all my items there. That's all done and sweet. Now what you also need to do is, what I'll do is I'll just use my other Finder window here, and now that I don't need it anymore, I'll navigate to my old project, so I can easily swap and change. Where are we? So PhoneGap 2 projects, assets, iPhone. Okay, so I've got my icons. So I'm going to copy all those. So these I've actually prepared earlier, and just check the documentation there for what sizes they need to be. So that's what I'm going to do now. Navigate to my Brizinga phone folder within my project. Go to resources, go to icons, and just basically replace all those. So apply to all, replace. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing for the splash screens. See, go back to my splash screens project here and paste. Apply to all, replace. Excellent. So the key to this is actually having one of these for the iPhone 5 is a default 568H at 2x splash screen. Okay, for your project, and that'll definitely help with your project being iPhone 5 compatible. Alright, now I'll leave it there for now, and I'll continue. See you guys in part 2.